In this video, we listed the 5 best night vision binoculars on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. NV8000 Night Vision Binoculars. The NV8000 Helmet Night Vision Binoculars, produced by Zhejiang Rong'er Optical and Electronic Technology Company Limited under their brand Ziyuhu, offer advanced features for nocturnal activities such as hunting. With a field of view of 10 degrees and an objective lens diameter of 25 mm, these binoculars utilize BAK for prisms and feature an eyepiece diameter of 1.4 inches. They are equipped with FMC lens coatings for enhanced clarity and boast 8x zoom capability. The device includes a 1.3 MP Starlight infrared enhanced camera for capturing 1080p video, making it suitable for various low-light environments. Rong'er Optical emphasizes high-tech manufacturing and rigorous testing standards, holding certifications like ISO 9001, FCC, ROHS, and CE, ensuring quality and compliance. Their customer-centric approach includes robust after-sales service and a commitment to resolving issues promptly, aiming to provide a satisfying experience for users worldwide. Number 2. Ponbos Professional Telescope. The binocular night vision device from Ponbos measures 23 by 18 by 9 cm and weighs 0.9 kg. It belongs to the catadioptric lens type and is branded under Ponbos. Manufactured in mainland China, it holds CE certification, ensuring compliance with European safety standards. This binocular model is designed for enhanced vision in low-light conditions, offering a versatile tool for various outdoor and nighttime activities. Number 3. Apexel Night Vision Device. The Apexel NV008 Hunting Night Vision Binoculars are designed for outdoor use, featuring a 12x magnification capability with a 7 degrees field of view and BAK for prism. They utilize a 23.5 mm objective lens with FMC coating for enhanced light transmission. These binoculars incorporate a built-in infrared illuminator with 5-level adjustment, enabling clear viewing in complete darkness up to 800 meters. The device includes a 2.3-inch TFT display for crisp visuals and supports functions like photo and video recording at 1080p and 720p respectively, with storage expandable up to 32 GB. Powered by rechargeable lithium batteries or via Type-C USB, it offers versatile operation suitable for various outdoor activities, complemented by features such as tripod compatibility and IPX for water resistance. Number 4. TD210 Thermal Imager Monocular. The Goyojo TD210 Thermal Imager is a handheld smart device originating from mainland China, certified with CE, FCC, and ROHS standards. It features a display size between 2.0 to 3.9 inches and serves dual roles as both a hunting imaging monocular and a night vision scope for animal observation. The product lineup includes models like TD210, TD410, TD420, and TD430, along with G210 and G215 variants. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals, it combines thermal imaging capabilities with infrared technology to enhance visibility in low-light conditions, making it suitable for various outdoor activities and wildlife observation. Number 5. OHB R5 Night Vision Binoculars. The OHB R5 1080p HD Night Vision Digital Binoculars by Ziyuhu are high-concerned chemical-free binoculars with a large field of view and BAK for prism. These binoculars have a 25 mm objective lens diameter with FMC lens coating and 8x digital magnification. They feature a dual 1.28-inch AMOLED round screen, IP65 protective grade, and are equipped with IR infrared light and a tactical flashlight white light. The backlit button design allows for easy use, and the binoculars support photo and video capture at both day and night. Additionally, they have audio recording and playback capabilities. The binoculars are head-mounted and can be mounted on a tactical helmet for use. This product is manufactured by Zhejiang Rong'er Optical and Electronic Technology Company Limited, a professional high-tech enterprise specializing in night vision devices and other optical products.